Hello. I've got a unboxing for you today. Whatever you want to call it, of a mouse from a company I've never heard of before, but it seemed like a decent product. It's from a company called Ajazz, Ajazz. Packaging is really nice, but sadly not much of it is in English. This is the Ajazz GTX mouse. On Amazon, it is called the Ajazz GTX Professional RGB mechanical mouse, 7 programmable buttons, adjustable wrist support, and counterweight slot gaming mouse, black. Right now, it's $25.99 on Amazon. Prime shipping, of course. RGB LED backlit. The box here is just, slips. And then, this is the main box here. I cut the tape already just to make it easier. But it has an Avago A3050 chip inside of it, aluminum and ABS, which is interesting. 4-level DPI. I'm not sure about the PVC cable. I'm not sure about the adjustable pulling rate, stuff like that. I don't see anything about DPI anywhere listed. What they actually are. Okay, guess I'll have to find out here. But let's check this out here. Packaging. Again, the packaging is very nice here. Everything's packaged, protected well with some styrofoam here. Here is the, this is the weight slot here. Your counterweights are in here. If I can get them. I'm not sure what they are. They're not marked as what they are. Yeah, there's just 4 of them there. So if you want to put, you can put as many as you want here. Here, let me do this. The instructions here, it says quick application guide. I don't see any English. So I don't know what really any of this stuff is, but it should be fairly simple. I did check their website and I couldn't find a user guide, but I did find a driver's software program, which I did download, and I'll have to check that out later. But here is the back of the mouse here. You have 2 different types you can use for the grip. Anyway, here's the mouse. Let's check the mouse out here. Wrapped up, of course, in protection. It's an interesting, unique looking mouse, that's for sure. The cable comes out here. I thought it popped out, but apparently it didn't. But here's the mouse there. Here's our sensor. But this here is all aluminum, as you can see there. And it goes all the way up through. So it has like basically an aluminum frame base to it with the ABS construction around it. We have a button over here on the side. 3 of them on the side, actually, of course. And then we have this one here. And we have our scroll wheel. I don't know if you can hear it. It's somewhat audible. And then, of course, we have our grip. Seems fairly comfortable so far to use. USB, of course. Nice, thick, heavy braided cable there. Here are the back pieces. Here you can pick which one, is more comfortable for you to use here. Now, how we get this on, I'm not sure. I believe it just clips in place because, this is, oh, okay. Here, the weight slot goes in here. Oops, wrong way. Let's try it this way. Yeah, it goes that way. That would be for the weights. And then this, I believe, oh. Okay. Let's try this here. Okay. So like that, up and then down, it clicks into place somehow or another. Oh, okay. There are little rails on there. I see. On each side here, there are little rails, and then there are pins that correspond. So, there you go. You slide them in like so. So that's the one there. I'm not sure what this adjustable piece is there on the back. Oh, okay. This pushes the whole back end up. I see. That's kind of cool. Or does it? It did. Oh, yeah, it does. Okay, I see. You loosen it and you can push the back piece down to adjust it where you want it to go. And then we have the other one here. Slide off, you push the button, and you can put the other one on, like so. And there it is. There's the mouse. I'm anxious to use it. I'm curious. I have our Teflon feet, of course, there. Well, that's about it. Ajazz GTX Professional RGB Gaming Mouse. It seems like a decent product. I'm going to have to use it. I've been using a Phoenix Nisida for a long time, and it's kind of acted up a few years now. So I need something new here. So, yeah, curious to try this out. Thanks.